Hi there, come take a look at these Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. These are some of the best earphones I've ever experienced, and I'm really impressed with all the different features. The sound quality on these is so good thanks to the H2 chip. The noise cancelling features are amazing, and you can switch the noise cancelling feature to transparency mode, which allows you to hear your surroundings. The AirPods also adapt to your environment and adjust the volume accordingly. They have a built-in microphone, so you are able to speak on the phone through them. The battery life on these are great. One charge can provide up to 6 hours of use. These come in a compact Magsafe charging case, which can provide up to 30 hours of charge. They can be charged via USB-C connector, Apple Watch charger, or a Magsafe charger. The AirPods slot nicely into the case, and the light on the front indicates that they are charging. They come with the USB-C wire and 4 options of silicone tips, so you can use the ones which fit your ears best. The AirPods also include touch control, so you are able to do things such as adjust volume, pause and end calls just using the AirPod. Overall, these are a great purchase that I'm very happy with, and they are incredibly high quality.